Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is a company I'd never heard of earlier, Dembel, and they make these somewhat luxurious vehicles here. This is a press conference, and here, let's go inside this vehicle. As this hasn't started, I don't know anything about it, but I am now going to show you something which you'll find rather remarkable, which is the following. You may be wondering why I'm wearing two shower caps on my feet. Well, this happens to be the very latest fashion in Germany right now, so I'm sure it'll be catching on wherever you are. Well, I don't know anything about the vehicle. I know it's on a Mercedes. It's a German technology, manufactured in Hungary. Just banging my head on the bed. So there's a negative mark already. Big slide out here. So what you can do, if you want to know how much it costs, obviously it's manufactured to order, so it'll cost as much as you want. 3 garage versions, including one with a large garage. Ooh, rather nice washroom. Now it's hard. Looking at this, you say this is no longer camping. This is it's just like a 5-star hotel in here. Uspa toilet, I've never even heard of that company either. Antonio Lupo, another thing I've never heard of. Right, so this is going to be one of my 3-minute videos. As much of this van as I can film in 3 minutes, and this is one of them. So, if you want to know more, I'll do a more detailed video later.
Dass Sie Interesse zeigen, das zeigt uns, dass wir